Meanwhile, two guys in their late 20s or early 30s and at large for larceny, carjack, and slate charges of a private company messenger / bill collector in Valenzuela have been ID'd by city cops. PTV correspondent Bea Bernardo on a $300,000 bounty offer for each suspect by the Valenzuela city cops on any information or tip that could lead to the arrest of the two and more in this report.
Grief is still evident on Geralyn's face nearly 2 weeks after her husband's slaying. Luigi Hernando was shot 3 times by 2 suspects last October 9 at the Maysan Road in Barangay Paso de Blas in Valenzuela City. The suspect also took his belt bag that allegedly contained a little over 400,000 pesos in cash as well as his motorcycle. The widowed wife cries for justice for what happened to her husband. According to Geralyn, she has no idea where to start on how to provide for her family now that her husband is gone.
Naguguluhan po, ma'am, sa sitwasyon ko. Kasi siya po kasi naghahanap buhay para sa amin. Mag-ina. Yan nga po, yung nawala siya parang nawala rin po lahat. Parang wala na po kinabukas.
To help the Hernando family, the local government of Valenzuela City has offered a 600,000 pesos reward to whoever can provide information that will lead to the suspect's arrest. The authorities identified the suspect as Narciso Santiago alias Tukmol at Rico Reyes alias Moja. According to the Valenzuela City Police, the suspect has previously been convicted for various crimes such as illegal use of drugs and kidnapping. The police explained that the victim's slaying was premeditated.
Kung titingnan nyo rin po yung CCTV na mainam, mabuti. Una pong binaril talaga nung nasa likod. 3 tama na po agad ng baril ang tinamaan dun sa victim. So, hindi mo na nag-declare ng robbery o ng hold-up.
The police is also investigating if the victim's murder had something to do with him testifying as a witness to a crime that happened last year. Meanwhile, the Hernando family pleads to the suspects.
Sana po yung nakapatay sa asawa ko, please sumuko ka na para pagbayaran niya lahat ng ginawa niya. Tinanggalan niya ng ama ng mga anak ko. Paano na mga kinabukasan nila?
Bea Bernardo for The Nation.